Hey guys, what's going on? Hunter here from Volkswagen World. Just wanted to once again thank all of you for subscribing to our channel, and if you haven't yet, subscribe now. But today I want to talk about something special. We got the all-new 2019 Atlas in, and we're going to review it for you guys today. Okay, today we want to share with you guys about the 5 things that we like about the 2019 Atlas SEL. Let's get started. On this 2019 Atlas, I wanted to first touch on the MSRP. We are slightly over $43,000 on this SEL model. And being an SEL brings me to point number 1. We still love the design. That brings me to this big, bold front end that the Atlas has. Everything is just chiseled out. Even these lines are chiseled into it beautifully. They go all the way down the side. All right, let's follow these lines down all the way to the second door here, which makes me want to show you something that's on the inside here. Is this what made the Atlas so popular? This second seat design. This design has allowed the Atlas to get any adult into this third row so easy. And not only get back here, but be comfortable as well. All right, let's fold all these seats down and see how much room is actually back here. There's an amazing 96.8 cubic feet of space back here. Enough room for any overnight camping or any special activity. All right, we got the seats back up here, and I just want to touch on one thing that's very important in this car. Is 6 seat anchors on the second row. Yes, that's right, 6 seat anchors. That means you can put 3 car seats all in the second row. And that's one really cool thing on this, is with that seat design on how this folds forward, is you can actually keep a car seat in place, folding this row forward without taking it out and getting into that third row. Alright, not only can these back seats do a lot of different things, but one of the coolest things is while you're sitting in here, is you can look up. All right, one touch controls opens this screen to this huge 53-inch long by 33-inch wide panoramic sunroof. We think that this second point is huge with Volkswagen because it shows that Volkswagen's not only just paying attention to the driver, but they're paying attention to all the passengers. Not only does that screen go all the way back, but this thing opens up the glass halfway back too. Not only is that panoramic sunroof pretty sweet, but let's go to point number 3. The other awesome thing in this car is the technology. Check it out. News that we have on this 19 SEL is Volkswagen has brought the 12.3-inch digital cockpit to this trim level. Before, you could only get this digital cockpit on the SEL Premium. So Volkswagen has done a great job on bringing this technology to a lower level. Pretty awesome thing on here is you can bring the navigation over from the center infotainment system over to this 12.3-inch cockpit. And not only can you do that, you can shrink the gauges like so to get that bigger map view and see where you're going. We can view a ton of car statistics from the screen as well. Talking about menus, we have a menu down here where you can get all the icons more in a digital format. Moving over to the other side, we have our phone, our voice, which of course a lot of SUVs have now. As far as the media, there's a ton of ways you can use this thing. If you look at source here, the most common that we normally see is Bluetooth, since we auto connect nowadays. But we do have, of course, our USBs and auxiliaries down below. Actually, there's one USB down below, which is a data USB. Also in the center here, which allows us to connect to our Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. So of course, like a lot of other cars also, we have our radio. A ton of presets, all digital. Of course, Sirius XM radio is available if you pay for it. With the navigation models, we can always click on menu, go over to, again, if you subscribe to it, Travel Link, where you can get a variety of different options, whether you're looking for fuel prices, sports, movies. Being the SEL trim model, there's a lot you can do down below too. 3-zone climate control, so each side you can set your own climate as well as the back. We've got heated 3-level heated seats on each side. We even have a heated steering wheel on this SEL trim model. So along with this technology, there's a ton of different driving modes you can put this thing into. If you look up here, not only can you do just normal driving mode, eco, sport, or custom, you can switch this to snow mode, normal, sport, or custom off-road. So there's a ton of different driving modes you can put this thing into, which also leads me to the driving assistance programs that come along with all this technology. As you can see, we got everything from lane assistance to blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, front assistance, and emergency braking. All the technology that this thing has, it can be a little scary, which brings us to point number 4. So this Atlas has a huge 6-year, 72,000-mile warranty, and yes, that is transferable. Why is that warranty so big to us? Because most SUVs nowadays only have a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. That's a little peace of mind when you're not only buying a newer model vehicle like this, but being a vehicle that a lot of families take road trips in, you want a good warranty. When most people think Volkswagen, they think foreign. Well, in this case, that's not true. Which brings us to point number 5. Yes, this Volkswagen is built in America, in Chattanooga, Tennessee to be exact. Volkswagen invested $900 million to expand on their Passat plant to be able to build this beast of an Atlas. Volkswagen isn't stopping there with American-made vehicles either. Volkswagen's going to soon invest another $340 million to add to this new Atlas lineup and make models such as the Atlas Cross Sport. And that, guys, is the 5 things that we like about the 2019 Volkswagen Atlas SEL. guys, thanks for watching this video, and make sure you like, comment, and share down below. And the most important thing, make sure you subscribe, because we're going to come out with some awesome future content.